Hi and welcome to this first lifehack video on the Guido community. Today I will talk about the LinkedIn hacks that I also shared with you in the last Fun Wednesday. So let's just get started. First, how to personalize your LinkedIn URL. What you can see here is my LinkedIn profile. So you just go to your profile, the Me page, and click View Profile. And in the top right corner you find Edit Public Profile and URL. If you go there, it opens your settings, and again in the top right corner you find Edit your custom URL. As you can see, I have already corrected my first tag, and you can basically use every name, every keyword, everything you want, and typically thereby you can shorten your LinkedIn address, making it look more professional and also make it more easy to set it up and use it in your curriculum. The second one is the social selling index of LinkedIn. As you can find in the slides, also you can type it directly here, linkedin.com/sales/SSI shows you how you perform on LinkedIn. It tells you where you rank within the industry, where you rank within the network, and it gives you your score in 4 different dimensions. Establishing the professional brand, finding the right people to connect with, engaging others with insights, and also build relationships. It compares your performance to the people in your industry and to the people in your network. Using this, you can try out different means and you can find the things that push your score, making you more visible and making your networking on LinkedIn more effective. The last thing is sharing comments and insights as a company. So for example, let's assume we want to see something from a good friend. Let's take Grazia Vittarini here, the former CTO of Airbus, now CTO at Rolls-Royce. So I just saw that she shared some world records on an aircraft here, and we all know this, and if we now go to commenting and liking, I would do that as a person. So I could say, yeah, cool, I like this. I can tell her, thanks for sharing, Grazia. So we would see that as a comment of me, Daniel, as the person. So what if I, for example, want to highlight that as the Brilliant Company? There is basically 3 steps you have to take. First, you have to find your company ID. Your company ID, and I will show you this on the Brilliant page, here is exactly in the URL between company and admin. In our case, it's this number. So we copy this, then we go back to original post we want to share, and we find in the top right corner, copy link to post, and we open it in a new tab to be prepared to be commented. Now we add the magic words is a question mark to basically indicate that we have a new attribute. Then it's the actor company ID, which basically tells LinkedIn, okay, we want to act as a company, equals, and then again we use this admin number that we've seen here. And when we do that, we open the article we like, and now we act on behalf of the company. So what we can do now, we can tell Grazia that we find this really insightful and that we would like to see more aviation news, also from Brazil, more records. So with this, you are able to comment directly with using the same LinkedIn account, not like, for example, Mike told us at last Fun Wednesday to switch accounts, log in, log out, and with this you are able to act as a company more successfully, faster, and therefore giving you a better performance on LinkedIn for your company, your institution, your association, but also for yourself. So thanks a lot. I say goodbye for today from Rio, and I wish you a nice weekend.